Hello guys, good morning. Bible verse reflection, English version, Galatians 5 verse 16. So I say, walk by the Spirit and you will not gratify the desires of the flesh. Okay. It just means that it focuses on intentional daily choices. Choosing to lead with patience, love, and spiritual awareness keeps us grounded against negative habits or reactions. This just means that you should follow your mission is to unite yourself with Jesus Christ. Live with Jesus Christ. Bod, body, blood, and soul. Mind, body, blood, and soul. Surrender it to Jesus Christ, and you will be saved. Don't be tempted by the sins of the flesh. The flesh is weak. The flesh is weak on temptations. It is weak on sickness. It is weak on pain. Strive harder. Make your body stronger. Make your mind better. Avoid all those things that will make you shy away from the Lord. The temptations, the distractions. Satan will do everything to that body so that you will be away from God. So that he can steal you, your soul, away from God. Because he himself wants to be greater than God. So everyone that he wants to gather in hell are people that he wants to rebel against God. Go away from God. Rebel from God. Do this sin. The lust, the pride, all the 7 deadly sins. Do that. And worship me. Honor me. That's not how we should live. We should not live by the flesh. This world is full of temptations. This world is full of greed, full of pride. All of the sins are circulating around the world. But how can we change that? It's through Jesus Christ. We should be the modern day missionaries, the modern day warriors of the Lord. They may kill our flesh, but they may never kill that. But they will never kill our faith in God. Christian persecution, it doesn't matter. Don't be afraid. It's just a temptation of the flesh. They may kill us for our faith, but you dying in your last moments, all you have to do is not denounce your faith. In your last moments, choose Jesus Christ. And you will be saved. Live by Him. Okay? Live by the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit will guide you. Just trust in it. Pray to Jesus Christ and live with Him. You will be saved. Everything will be okay. Believe in God. He did everything for you. We are not worthy. We are never worthy. We should be one snap and we're gone. That should have happened long ago. That's how bad we are. He knows that we are not worthy. He knows that we will never change. We will all sin. But He loves us. We are the greatest creation. We are His greatest creation made by hand. That is why He can never hate us. But if we chose Satan over Him, then He has no choice. We have the free will. That's the best thing He has ever given to us. The life and the free will. You are free to believe or not. You are free to choose whatever, to wear whatever you want. You are free to live however you want. But it's your choice. At the end of the day, in the gates of heaven on Judgment Day, it's only about how did you live your life. Did you live your life with Jesus Christ? It's not about the good deeds. It's not about the religious works. No. Did you live your life for Jesus Christ? Did you live by Him? Did you live with Him as Him? If no, then easily you're going to hell. There are no second chances. In this life, this is the chance, an infinite chances of being with God. So don't be tempted by the flesh. Live by the Holy Spirit. Live with Jesus Christ and believe in God. Everything is settled, everything is planned. You just have to believe the plan. Move for it, believe in it, and everything will be okay. So use social media in the right way. Let us all know Jesus Christ even more, and let's regard their lost souls, especially those people who are rebelling away from God or who are lost in faith. So God bless.